In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved posts on LinkedIn. If you've ever spotted a helpful update, a thoughtful article, or a conversation you want to return to later, LinkedIn's Save feature keeps everything in one place, and I'll show you exactly how to use it and where to find what you've saved. First, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on your home feed. This is the main page you land on after signing in, filled with posts from your network, pages you follow, and recommended content. We'll start right here because saving always begins from a post in the feed. Next, scroll through your feed to find something you want to keep. It could be a post with a tip you plan to try, an industry report, a hiring update, or simply a discussion you want to revisit. Remember, saving doesn't notify the author, and you can save most types of posts you see in the feed. When you've found the post, look for the three dots in the top right corner of that post. This is the More menu. Click it to open a small list of options related to that specific post. From that menu, choose Save or Save Post. LinkedIn will confirm that the item has been saved, and that's it for capturing it. You can continue browsing. The post is now stored in your personal saved area until you decide to remove it. Now let's get to your saved items. While you're still on the feed, glance over to the left-hand sidebar. There you'll find a shortcut labeled Saved Items. Click that to open your saved collection. If your sidebar looks condensed, expand it so you can see the saved items link. On the saved page, you'll see all the content you've saved from your LinkedIn experience. To focus on posts from your feed, select Saved Posts and Articles. This view organizes the updates, articles, and similar items you chose to keep for later, making it easy to skim, open, and reference what matters to you. It's a simple way to build your own library of resources without losing track of great content. That's the full workflow. Save from the post's three-dot menu, then open Saved Items on the left and view everything under Saved Posts and Articles. Interfaces can evolve, but the Save option in the Post menu and the Saved Items area on the feed remain the key places to look. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.